This is Morten from INKISH TV, third day and last day here at Printing United in Atlanta with a very dear friend, Ellen from Ecosystems. Good
Thank
to
you,
see
Morten.
you.
Nice to see you here.
How is it to be here on your own?
How is the...
How is it to be here on your own? I mean, I always see
this
you
is
together with Mike.
the first time I've ever done a show, a larger show than a 10 by 10 by myself. I know the products, so it's fine.
Yeah.
I get to meet everybody.
I was just thinking also that, you know, the fact is also, and it's with all due respect, but it's also Mike is a character that is well known in the industry.
Very well
And
known.
all the films we have done for you, everybody mentioned Mike because he's always there for the customers, right? And now he's not here for you, right?
That's okay.
That's okay.
I'm here for him.
Okay, that sounds like a perfect marriage, right? And you also said that it was about him working so he could keep your lifestyle intact, right?
Actually, we are so busy.
Yeah.
We're in the process of, we added on more employees, so there's training to do. We're in the process of building several machines at the same time.
Not bad, right?
Got to get them out the door.
Yeah.
You know, that's how it works. So yeah.
What about, because I remember that you also spoke about that you kind of redecorated your entire headquarter, right? Or the production, or
we did. We renovated the downstairs because we needed more room. Now we're thinking we need more room.
even more?
Yeah, because like I said, we have so much machinery that we're in the process of building, and it's not a bad thing.
No, and it's funny because I mean, when you walk around here at the trade show like this, I mean, one thing is that you see beautiful print, just like in CMYK, sometimes with more colors, but it seems that everybody sees the value of having the embellishment, and I mean, with cold foil and all the capabilities that you offer,
Right.
it must be interesting times for Ecosystems, right?
I love the word embellishments. I feel that we were part of the bringing that word to fruition. Since we started in 2006, I believe, at Drooper.
And that was your first troop at the same time,
That
right?
was my introduction to this
the industry,
industry, which I fell in love with instantly.
And I don't know if you recall, but we did that online interview during COVID, right? Where we spoke about it, right?
Right.
And both you and Mike, how you met and how you got to Droop and how that was like an eye-opener for you, right?
And I never knew anything about the industry, and people would say, yeah, the printing industry, it's like not what it used to be. It's, you know, nobody does print anymore. And I look at them like they have 12 heads.
Yeah.
I mean, come on, everywhere you look, it's printed. Everything in our life is printed. Everything.
But isn't it also a matter that sometimes if you, I mean, the American dream about capturing all opportunities and make business and opportunities like, I mean, you have to work for your things, right? And I guess that you guys, always busy because, I mean, you are well known, but you're not like a giant corporate, right? I mean, so you have to do a lot of the things yourself, right?
We must be doing really well if we're that well known and we're not that huge.
Yeah,
So
precisely.
yes,
Yeah.
we are a perfectionist.
Yeah.
We build a machine directly for every press we put it on. We don't have a standalone. It's not one machine serves all.
Everything
Every
is
machine is
custom-made,
designed and custom made for that particular press.
And when you said perfection, I was just about to say that you should sue somebody for calling the printing machines perfectors, right? That is a perfection machine, that is yours, right?
Well, we're always adding some new stuff to it. You know, last year we brought out the Golden Eagle, which has
Oh, the Golden
everything.
Eagle. Oh, really?
Yes,
Okay.
we
So
have
that is
one
like-
in,
is
that's
that-
in London.
Okay, so that's like the top line of, because when we went to Indianapolis where we saw the widest of your
Oh my
foils,
God,
right?
Lithopress.
Yeah, Lithopress.
Yes.
Amazing company, right? And but that was like the largest in the world. But now you have
And
the
it's
Golden.
it's a low one. It's a low.
It's a low one with a low
machine,
ceiling,
right?
precisely. Yeah.
Yeah. So
I was just wondering because I mean, normally when I meet you at trade show, you have a silver wick, right? And I was just thinking because it's like a really
it's my trademark.
precisely, yeah. But I was also thinking because I mean, what drives the need for embellishment? Is it just the brand owners, or is it also, I mean, the combination of, because I mean, for example, here at the booth you have samples, you show off a little bit on what's possible, right? But it seems that more and more people really start to realize the value of
The
it, right?
brands are really driving it.
Yeah.
Because let's face it, you have two products that are the same type of product.
Yeah.
Why choose this one? Well, why choose that one? Oh, that caught my eye. The package it was in
Precisely.
caught my eye. And that's really what it's about. It's about giving them the opportunity to embellish their product packaging to create more awareness to what they are and make it look more expensive and make it look like I gotta have it. And that's what's going on.
So we could call it a life embellishment extension.
You could do that.
Because I mean, basically, as you say, when you go to the shops and you see products that appeals to you, I mean, that is also because, I mean, I don't know if it's, I think it's in America even more, but in Europe we have that saying that we don't really need anything anymore. So we buy things that we want to associate ourselves with.
Because
right?
it caught my eye and I had to have it.
Precisely, yeah.
Right.
So,
yeah. Besides, this particular product, cold foil, because it's done inline on a printing press, is a huge money saver to the printers and also to the brands because everything's done at one time. You could make any color. It's all done with silver foil. You overprint. It starts at one end of the press. It goes to the end. It comes off. It's done.
Yeah.
Unless, of course, if you need to die cut it or whatever.
But that you would have to do anyway, right? So I mean, so that is just like you say that you add an eagle to your printing press, and basically you have something that increases the price per sheet. Or let's say that was wrongly said because the price it is increased with is way less than the more profit you get out of it, right?
You get more profit,
Yeah,
definitely.
yeah.
Hot foil stamping was Michael's first introduction into this. He was the major hot foil machine manufacturer for many, many years. But that is an offline situation. And a lot of the printers don't even have in-house hot foil stamping. They have to send their product out. I met somebody at the show the other day and they're interested in our product because they do packaging. And I said, so what are you doing now for foil? I said, oh, we send it out. I said, where do you send it? Oh, a couple of states away. Oh, so shipping.
Time, transport costs.
Right,
I mean,
all of that,
all
and
of
then
it
coming back
and
and all this and that. And I said, think about it. You could throw it right up on your press, get it done that day, package it all up, and it's out.
Did they buy it?
Yeah, we're working on it.
I know that sometimes the funnels are quite long when you invest in the products like Eagle, right? But eventually you get them, right?
Yep, we're working on it.
Super. Nice to see you. And
More
best
than
regards,
wonderful.
best regards to Mike. Okay?
I will tell him.